Hi, this is Sean with ScanButteCounty.com. Today we're doing an unboxing and demonstration of the SimpliSafe home security system. SimpliSafe home security system is a self-installed, professional-grade, cellular and Wi-Fi based security system for your home that is professionally monitored. The Shield kit, which I purchased today, I did purchase this. I'm not being paid by SimpliSafe to do any product review or demonstration. The box as it came from the retailer. This particular kit contains 11 pieces. It has the base station, which is basically the brains. It has a keypad. It has a key fob, which you can put on your keychain to arm and disarm the alarm. It has 6 window and door sensors and 2 motion sensors. So let's get into the unboxing and see what comes in the box. Comes with 2 boxes. The largest of the boxes has a whole package full of instructions. Let's do this, and we will go through all of those instructions once we get the system set up. It has the keypad for arming and disarming the alarm. It has batteries pre-installed. You pull the little strip out. You've seen this before, and that will arm the batteries. The keypad mounts to your wall with command strip double-sided tape, so you don't need to screw holes into your wall. It's great for apartment dwellers because those strips do come off if you're careful without making any damage to the wall itself. This is the brains of the SimpliSafe alarm. This is the base station. This connects to your Wi-Fi as well as has a built-in cell system or cell phone basically inside of it. So it connects with the central station via cell phone primarily or cell signal primarily, and then uses your Wi-Fi as backup. So that is the brains to the system. Here we have the power supply for the brain. And it has a captive screw here that you can put through this screw hole to keep that screwed into your outlet so nobody can unplug it. Let's see if there's anything under here. Oh, there's a stake for the included yard sign, which is probably inside the envelope that helps you get started. So that is the larger of the 2 boxes. The smaller of the 2 boxes we have 2, 4, 6 of these window and door or entry sensors. Open one of these up so you can see what they look like. So same as before, it has the batteries pre-installed. So you don't have to purchase any batteries from the system. You just remove this strip which activates the battery. This is the magnet side and this is the door switch side. You can see they're very small, very unobtrusive. You won't really notice that on your door or window. So you get 6 of those with this kit. You also get 2 motion sensors, again battery operated with the poultry removed to activate the battery. Has command strip tape on both corners and on the back so that you can mount this flat against a wall or into a corner to get more coverage of your room. So there are 2 of those sensors in this kit. And then this is the little key fob with which you can arm and disarm the system, kind of like you would a security system for a car. It's small enough that you could put this on your keychain. I probably won't. I don't like big bulky things in my pocket. But there it has off, home, and away settings so that you can set and disarm the alarm just with the remote control. Might be nice beside on a bedside table. So that is what's included in this kit, which again is called the Shield. This is a pre-designed kit from SimpliSafe. They have several pre-designed kits, or you can build your own. This kit is currently on sale on Amazon, and I'll put a link below, for under $249. I want to say the last time I looked earlier this week, it was in the $210 range. So $210 to protect up to 6 doors and windows, plus 2 large areas in your home with the included motion sensors is a super bargain. Monitoring of this system costs about $25 a month. There's a lower cost monitoring solution, but it's not full featured. With the full featured monitoring plan of, like I said, $25 a month, it includes calling the police or fire if there's a problem detected. It'll also send you SMS text messages to your cell phone so that you could perhaps know when the kids come home or when a garage door has been opened, that kind of thing. So the $25 plan from SimpliSafe is probably the best value as far as what features are included with it. So that's the kit. I'm going to finish unboxing all of these things, start getting set up, and I will show you the setup on the computer using the SimpliSafe website to see how to set this up to actually use it.